Eating for optimal health. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. In this video, we'll explore the numerous health benefits that blueberries offer. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect our bodies from free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause damage to our cells. These antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and age-related cognitive decline. Did you know that blueberries can improve brain function? Studies have shown that the antioxidants in blueberries can enhance brain health, improve memory, and even delay age-related cognitive decline. They may also help improve motor skills and maintain a healthy nervous system. Blueberries are also beneficial for our hearts. The high levels of antioxidants, fiber, and potassium in blueberries contribute to cardiovascular health. They can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. If you're looking to boost your immune system, blueberries are an excellent choice. They are rich in vitamin C, which is known to strengthen the immune system and help fight off infections. Including blueberries in your diet can provide a natural defense against common illnesses. Furthermore, blueberries are low in calories and packed with fiber, making them a great option for weight management. The fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and aiding in weight loss goals. So how can you incorporate blueberries into your diet? Add them to your morning oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a healthy snack. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious as fresh ones, so you can enjoy them year-round. In summary, blueberries are a true superfood. From promoting brain health to boosting our immune system and supporting heart health, these little berries offer a wide range of health benefits. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to grab a punnet of blueberries and give your body a delicious and nutritious treat.